Hey Dino fans and creative spirit, welcome to the channel. If you're anything like me, probably you grew up obsessed with dinosaurs and more after watching certain iconic movies. And that's right, the Triceratops from Jurassic Park. I love that gentle giant. It just changed my life. And today we're gonna bring one to life right here with nothing but clay. Well, a few more materials. So let's start. So first thing we're gonna use is this wooden base. I only put these screws, so it's gonna be the bone of my character is gonna be the one that holds everything. And we're gonna use one of my favorite clay, that is monster clay. And to be honest, I didn't know how much clay I had, so I wasn't sure if to do the whole body. I'm gonna focus only on the face. But I have to say, if this channel ever gets to the 20,000, I promise to do a giant Triceratops sculpture for sure. We're gonna use also aluminum foil. This is gonna help not only give us the shape of our sculpture, but also to save clay. The more you put, the better. So right now, the first layer that I put, it looked like actually like a cobra. So that's interesting. For a future video, probably I could have done a cobra, but I'm just gonna keep putting some aluminum foil until I think it's perfect. And right here, you can see it does look like a Triceratops. I almost done, right? Right. Well, probably you don't see it right now, but it's getting there. So the next step is gonna be to cover the whole piece with monster clay. You have to remember that this time we don't care exactly if it looks or not like our figure. Right now, it's just to cover every single thing. And after that, we're going to try to smooth things and try to give it that shape that we want. It doesn't have to be perfect yet, but we can start giving that shape. And now comes the most fun part, that is to put the details. We're gonna still try to work simple shapes. It doesn't have to be perfect. But now we're gonna imagine how our character is gonna look. We're gonna use some pieces of clay to just represent muscles, a little bit more detailed shapes. And right now, even I'm thinking about the story behind this Triceratops. And I love this step just to try to see, okay, this is kind of starting looking on what I'm thinking. So just imagining you have to go one side to the other, try to have that symmetry, try to see, okay, now this look like a triceratops. And after you have all those blobs and all those lines that represent muscle, maybe bones, maybe certain part of your character, it's time to just use my spatula that I love and blend everything to make sure that you just become one with the sculpture. And one really quick tip that I want to say about eyes, those one I'm gonna do it later, but the best thing that you can do and is gonna help you out more if you're a beginner is to create your eyes now. Even before starting your sculpture, you can create like a sphere with the clay. Over here, I create my eyeballs and I'm just gonna set them down. I'm gonna wait until they cool down so they're really strong. And even you can use the technique of many sculptures that we have used metal spheres or even plastic. And that's just so easy just to put them on your sculpture and you're almost 90% done. Probably not that much, but it's just for the eyes that are the window of the soul, not having to worry about that roundiness. It just help you to create maybe that look that you want way easier. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just keep shaping with my tool. Triceratops have on their crest like these bones, these kind of tiny horns or kind of spikes. If you know the name, please comment below. But they're right there. No, we already have the crest. So I just need to push the clay to make them visible. And this can take forever. So I didn't put the whole footage. Let me know. I used to put all of it, all the process, but some people complain about it. So let me know you need to see the whole process. This part was the most difficult about this sculpture, just to go around and create those things. And it's just to keep going with your tools, smoothing everything, make sure that you're giving the shapes that you want. You can add, remove clay, and try to make this alive. I was thinking at the beginning just to do the face, but like I mentioned, when I sculpt, the sculpture kind of evolve in my mind. And sometimes I wish I had the time to keep going and keep going. And sometimes I have to stop, even if I think it needs more work. But over here, I was thinking this Triceratops, it looked like he's afraid, it looked like he's running maybe from a T-Rex, I don't know, from something. So I wanted to add at least one of his limb. Right now, my clay was too warm, so I had to hold it and wait until it cools down so it stays at the same position. And that's why I love monster clay, because you can do things like that. You don't need to put bones or anything. And you just keep working. Just keep working, trying to give the shape, try to go around and all the details. I have to say that my camera shut down a couple times, so I some step of the sculpture were no record. Over here, I'm doing some type of texture on the skin. To be honest, this could take forever. Such a tiny sculpture, but to be honest, most of my sculpture I try to do it in one day. Sometimes I split that day in two halves just because I have to work. I'm gonna show you the final results, and it's right here. What do you think? Have you ever sculpted a dinosaur? If you have, please comment below which one. Which one is your favorite? To be honest, I'm really happy. Just bringing back memories, and I really really love it. I know I could have better details, but what do you think? I'm probably you won't be able to see it. But this is my Triceratops. Let me know also you're thinking that he was maybe sinking, or maybe you were running from something dangerous. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss more creative adventures. Ring that notification bell. Thank you for watching. Enjoy art and see you next time. I really, really love it.